Hey, Dressage Superstars. So I've just come out of day 2. So yesterday we came and did the novice with Gretch, and she was really, really good. In the first test I made a mistake and she made a mistake, but that's all right. We came second, and out of I think 35 horses and riders. And then the second test I was really happy with. Of course it didn't score as well, of course, and she still came second. So 2 seconds, so that's okay. You know, you got to be happy with that. And then today she's done her elementary, so this is the first time she's done an elementary test. So that was cool. She's so far coming second again. It seems like it's all about red and second this week. And I've just come out of the second test, which wasn't as seamless, but it was still fine. She's still good. She's being a brave girl and she's being a good girl. I think she's a bit tired now, 4 tests in 2 days. So that's all done, and now I'm about to go plat up Ollie, and I got to get on him in an hour and a half. So he's got 2 prelims. He didn't compete yesterday, and it's springers in the air and he is loving life, so it will be very interesting to see what kind of Ollie we get in a couple of hours. So that'll be fun. I hope your riding is going well. Take care, bye.